Peace. This is Ayrat, digital marketing specialist, also specialist in some other areas and enthusiast in even more areas. Want to show how I would create Microsoft Clarity account and project, and how I used to create and how I would create. Before that, want to remind what you already need to have if you want to create Microsoft Clarity account and project. To create Microsoft Clarity, you already need to have Microsoft account and of course website where you can add Microsoft Clarity, or at least blogger.com aka blogspot.com account. To create Microsoft Clarity, go to clarity.microsoft.com, and here I can see, and you may see something like that page. Sign in, sign up button. I prefer sign up or sign in through Microsoft account, as this is Microsoft product. It's sign into Microsoft. It asks to sign in into Microsoft, or choose account if you already signed in. Enter email, type email, then next. It asks to confirm email. For that, need to read Clarity terms of use, put a tick, and if want to receive emails about products and services, may put the tick on. If don't want, so don't put. This is the terms of use. Continue. Microsoft Clarity showed me this kind of window where it asked me to create new project on website or mobile app. Insert. In my example, I'm going to show website, but I would skip it and press my project or Clarity, and then I went to this kind of page. Here it is. When I don't have any project, it looks like that. To add project, like it was here, as it's obvious, I hit new project and here choosing website. Also option of mobile app, may cancel if one, but not now. Name of the project. I want to warn that in Microsoft Clarity, in comparison with Google Analytics 4, I cannot have different URLs for one project. In Google Analytics 4, it would be property. So if I want to use Microsoft Clarity with different domains, I will need different projects. I cannot add one project with different domains, unfortunately. Maybe here, maybe some hacks like that, but in J4 you can do it straightforward. In Microsoft Clarity, I need different projects. Again, maybe there are some hacks, like some tricks, where I cannot tell you. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. As I have only one URL anyway, it's not a big problem for now, just warning. Name. In my example, I will use demo name. Website URL, insert website URL from URL. Website industry. See, you don't have the active Add New Project button without choosing it. In my example, I would choose Other. In your, look what better fits you. Add New Project. The new project is added. It asks us some options. Very important step is connecting Microsoft Clarity account and more specifically project with website. But I'm going to do these steps in other videos. Stay tuned. Step of creating account and project is completed. Now I can see in my projects, my project. If I had more, there would be more. And can go to this project. Creating is done, but of course it's not all. It's not all the necessary steps. In next videos, I'm going to do settings, to show settings, then also connecting Microsoft Clarity with GA4. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't make wars, make mutual wealth. Peace.